Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about logarithmic equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Log base A of B, that is about f and b over f and h. So we need to transform this one, this one, this one, and this one into this one. So we have like this. Now we put fn number 3, fn 64, fn number 4, fn p go to numerator. So we have like this. Now we need to simplify f and s for the both sides. Next, we have the formula in here. So 8, that is about negative 1 over 3 and number 2. B, that is about 64 and number 4. Now, we need to transform this one and this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, we have the next one. So, I will put this one go to the left. So, this one, that is about this one. This one, that is about this one. And now we need to simplify this one. And we have number 12. So B equals to number 12. This is the end. Thank you for watching.